Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into text and fonts in Canva because no design is complete without great typography. I'll show you how to add, customize, and style text like a pro so your designs stand out. Let's get into it. To get started, open a design and click on the Text tab on the left. Click Add a Heading to drop a text box into your design. You can also choose subheadings or body text depending on your layout. Now, click the top bar to change your font style. Canva has hundreds of fonts, from bold and modern to handwritten or classic. Adjust the size by dragging the corners or using the size dropdown. You can change the text color to match your brand or design style. Use the color box in the top menu to pick a shade or enter a hex code. And don't forget to align your text left, center, or right to keep things clean. This is the last thing you need to do. Here's where the magic happens. Click on Effects to open powerful text tools. Add a shadow, glow, or even curve your text into a circle. These effects are perfect for making headlines pop. Some fonts are marked with a crown. These are Canva Pro Fonts. If you're using the free version, stick to the regular fonts. But trust me, there are still tons of amazing options. Once your text is styled and ready, click Share, then Download to save your design. You can use it for social posts, thumbnails, or anything else. And that's how you make your designs pop with text and fonts in Canva. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button. Next up, we're diving into logos, brand kits, and more. See you there, and happy designing!